Alright guys, my name is Tyler Smith here with MarineMax Texas Mastercraft, bringing you another new piece of inventory. This is going to be a 2023 Mastercraft X22. We got some really great features inside, as well as here on the transom. Wanted to point out to you guys that this boat is optioned with our new swim step. So this is going to make it really easy for you guys to get in and out of the water. Makes it really nice for pets if you do have them up there as well. Let's take a step inside and look at some of the other features. Alright guys, as we step inside of the boat, you can see we've got some awesome features in here. We did match this interior color with the exterior, so that gray and black follows through. This is going to be cool feel, so it's going to stay nice and cool out there in those Texas heat summers. We do have our lounge seats on the back of the boat. Those are exclusive to the X's, and those are really nice. We do have a Z8 tower with 2 Klipsch tower speakers, as well as our clamping board racks. Makes it really easy for you guys getting those boards whenever you guys are. As we step forward into the boat, you can see that we have some awesome storage in this boat. On this port side, we're going to have communicating storage all the way throughout, so you guys can store your life jackets, boards, anything like that. And then you guys do have a cooler in there on the left side. Here on the helm, we did option this boat with the touchscreen option, as well as your dials right here are going to be able to be controlled from that touchscreen as well. You've got everything at your fingertips as a driver, so it's really nice, and you've got a camera on that tower so you can see your surfer in the water. Makes it as easy as possible to drive these boats for you guys. Finally, as we step forward into the bow, this is one of our X series with the hybrid pickle fork bow, so this provides a ton of room up here in the bow. You guys can fit 2 to 3 adults, and we've got fold down armrests as well as recessed cup holders. Really nice and enjoyable up there in the bow. Again, this is a 2023 Mastercraft X22 here at MarineMax Texas Mastercraft. My name's Tyler. Give me a call, we can get you squared away.